My name is Utkarsh and I'm so happy that you have decided to start your journey towards empowered trading with this amazing community of traders. In this video, I am going to tell you 3 specific reasons why you should become a part of the Millionaire Trader Club right now. First, we will discuss about why you should even consider coming to the stock market and doing options trading. ऐसा क्या खास है स्टॉक मार्केट में? After this, we will understand what is the Millionaire Trader course and why the Millionaire Trader community is going to be a life-changing experience for you. Trust me, एक बार TMT community का हिस्सा अगर आप बन गए, then this community of traders is an addiction. Third and the last thing I'll explain to you is that what can you expect from all the masterclass that you will attend at the Millionaire Trader Club. Let me begin by telling you a few facts about the stock market first. You should know one simple thing before you invest even 1 rupee into the stock market. Stock market आखिर होता क्या है? Stock market is nothing but systematic transfer of money from an indisciplined trader to a disciplined trader. What I mean to say here is that making money and taking trades and learning about technical analysis is not the tough part about trading. The tough part of trading is the emotional control that you need to have before you enter into a trade setup and after you successfully place a trade. 95% of the retail traders lose their money because they have no emotional control. At the Millionaire Trader Club, we make sure that you keep your emotions very much in check. And my most favorite way to keep my emotions in check is to apply the limited loss, consistent reward option selling strategies that we learn all about in the Millionaire Trader Club. So coming back to the first question, why should you even consider investing and trading into the stock market? Well, the answer is actually really simple. Stock market is the most powerful wealth creation tool that is available to normal people like you and me. Once you learn how to harness the power of stock market to make consistent money, you will not need to look back in your life again. It is 100% possible to generate 1 to 3% returns every week. That comes to 40 to 90% return on your investment per year. And I believe that is a great ROI. Now let me introduce you to the Millionaire Trader Club so that you will understand what you are really missing out on. TMT community is a trader's paradise. TMT Club is the best feature that we offer to our members. The community is a place for all traders to meet and discuss about the stock market and the world around it. On the TMT community, our mentors share their personal trade setups and trading ideas that you can use to reference your trades. The community is divided into various sections. The first section that you will find on the TMT community is Getting Started section. Here you will have various channels. These channels will help you to understand how to make the best use of the TMT community server. Second, you will find one of the most important sections, the Traders Cockpit. This is the trade advisory section where me and other mentors post our personal trade setups in the live market so that you can also use these pro trade setups for reference and to take better trading decisions in the live market. Mentors share their trades from Nifty, Bank Nifty, equity setups and even swing and positional trade ideas. The next section is the trade setups by members. In this section, all the community members share their personal trading ideas with each other and this helps them to actually trade in a much more confident way. Next section is for all the updates of all kind of news that are related to the stock market which can impact your trade setups or trade ideas. And then we have the member chat zone where we post our daily profit and loss and enjoy a lot of discussions about the stock market. Members also get updates of any upcoming live masterclass in this section. And then we have other great sections like daily pre-market and post-market podcasts, a channel dedicated for traders motivation and a few other channels for fun and to keep the environment light and happy. So you can also find all the previous masterclass and the ebooks in the archive section. In short, this community is the ultimate trader's paradise. Now the last question is, what will you learn in the Millionaire Trader course? Well, there are a lot of things that you will learn, but there is so much to tell. It will take another 20 minutes just to explain that. The powerful learning that you will get in this course, it is so powerful. So let me put it in a simple way. At the Millionaire Trader course, you will learn everything from the basics of options trading to technical analysis and advanced price action strategies. But that is not the best part. The best part comes when you will be introduced to the limited loss consistent returns options selling strategies. These strategies are so powerful that you will be able to generate 1 to 2% consistent weekly returns only from options trading. And usually new traders who come into the stock market only understand that they only understand options buying, which I believe is the riskiest thing to do with your money. Option selling gives you so much more freedom and power to make money consistently. And let me tell you, it is a myth that you need large capital to do option selling. You just need the right strategies that will bring down your margin requirements. We have explained the full course curriculum in the website below. You can go through it. So I believe that I have explained enough about the tremendous benefits of joining the Millionaire Trader Club and becoming a part. Now the power is in your hands. At the click of a button, you can be a part of this amazing trader's paradise and start your journey towards the most empowered trading. See you on the other side at the Millionaire Trader Club. Enjoy.